in coming up with this compliance. So I would like to invite everybody, lalo na yung mga kababayan natin, to attend this environmental summit on February 9 to 15 to 16. Thank you.
9 to 11. Yes. Right, talking about climate change, we have someone from the French Embassy who will be coming to give us an update on what happened in COP21. So that's also an exciting. So I would just like to say, we really thought about this, placed all our energies into it. We are so excited about the things that will be coming up in the summit, that will be discussed. So please come, and especially the media. You have a critical role also to play in letting everyone know of all the success stories. So that's February 9 to 11 at SMX.
There you have it. Okay. Okay, so I believe everyone already knows the dates. Once again, that's February 9 to 11 at the SMX Convention Center at the Mall of Asia. Please invite every single one, everyone that you know, whether you think that they will be interested or not, please do invite them, because when you get there, you will realize that this involves everyone, every single one of us. Thank you so much to all of our speakers for their insightful thoughts and for expounding on exactly what we can expect and we can look forward to at the summit. Is there anyone who has any question for any of our speakers? You simply need to raise your hand and I will approach you, or you can approach the microphone. Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Who would you like to ask the question to?
For Attorney Llanes. Good afternoon. I've been to Boracay regularly in a span of 2 decades or more than 2 decades since the 1980s. Now I've seen the distraction, and it's so painful to see, especially for those who love the island. Medyo emotional. Now, what is the role of DNR in protecting the environment against over-tourism?
The role of the environment is very clear. It is our mandate to really protect the environment, meaning all activities that will be undertaken by any individual, maybe the private sector or the government, for as long as there is impact on the environment, the DNR can enter and intervene. No? In the case of the Boracay, medyo nagkaroon ng problem doon because nandun na kasi yung mga activities before yung classification ng land. And in fact, nagkaroon ng konting problema sa land use zoning there. And when the people there try to quiet their title, they filed a case against the DNR. And luckily, the Supreme Court decided in favor of the government. The Supreme Court ruled that it is a public land. Our problem now is that when the declaration came or passed upon by the Supreme Court, big buildings were already there. So, ang hirap namin hawakan ngayon dahil hindi naman po pwedeng patanggal natin yung haya. So, we are now in the process of really looking at the management or arrangements na po pwede natin gamitin para naman those buildings, those corporations, those industries can still operate without really affecting the environment. One activities the DNR has undertaken is yung observance natin sa Pampang, sa beaches. We have already, the DNR through the local government units is already demolished yung mga malalapit sa Pampang. In fact, a lot of complaints, we have received a lot of complaints because of those things that we have done. We have a lot of cases na nakuha namin dahil we remove all those infrastructure facilities near the beaches. And then we are now in the process of discussing this with the community or mga corporations, mga industries on how they can really operate their business, but at the same time giving due care and protection to the environment. So parang ganun yung Boracay. It is a test case. Kaya nga ngayon, maganda yung nangyari sa Boracay because this has become now a model for us on how to treat other similar ecosystems din. Kasi itong Boracay, iba kasi ito mahirap kasi masalimuot yung storya. But then the DNR is really trying to really protect what remains dun sa nandun sa area ng Boracay.
And I think it's also important to educate the LGUs. That's why that is one objective of this summit. We will have LGUs coming, and hopefully they will be educated through the summit. Itong mga new learnings, especially on sustainable tourism.
Okay. Any more questions? If you don't have any more questions, or just in case you do come up with a question, you can reserve it, you can write it down, save it in your phones, and you can ask that question on February 9 to 11 at the SMX Convention Center when we gather again for the first Philippine